In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export email addresses from Yahoo Mail. We will walk through each click slowly so you can follow along on your own screen without getting lost. First, open your usual web browser, the one you normally use to check websites. In the address bar at the top, type the words Yahoo Mail, then press Enter. You should now see a search results page with several links related to Yahoo Mail. A beginner tip here, if you already have Yahoo Mail bookmarked, you can also click that bookmark instead of searching. The next steps will look the same. Once you see the search results, click the correct link, the one that clearly says Yahoo Mail. This should open the Yahoo Mail sign-in page with fields for your email address and password. Go ahead and sign in with your Yahoo account details, then confirm that your inbox loads. You will know you are in the right place when you can see your list of emails, along with folders like Inbox and Sent on the left side. Now that you are in your inbox, look over to the right-hand sidebar menu. You are searching for the contacts icon, which looks like a small address book or a simple silhouette of a person. Move your mouse slowly because the icons can be quite small on some screens. When you find that contacts icon, click it once. A contacts panel will open, usually sliding in from the right, showing a list of the people you have saved, along with their email addresses. With the contacts panel now visible, shift your attention to the very top of this panel. Next up, find the More Options icon, shown as 3 small horizontal dots in a row. These dots often sit near the search box inside the contacts area. Click the 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear just under the icon, with several choices related to your contacts. From that drop-down menu, select the option that says Export to CSV file. When you click Export to CSV file, Yahoo prepares a file that contains your contact names and their email addresses in a structured list. Usually there is no pop-up confirmation, but you might briefly see a notification near the bottom of the window that the export has started. After you have chosen Export to CSV file, the download will start automatically. If your browser quietly saves files, it will go straight into your default downloads folder, and you may see a small download progress indicator near the top or bottom of the window. If instead your browser asks you to choose a save location, select a familiar folder like your desktop or the standard downloads folder, then click Save. The exported file will now be stored there, ready for use in spreadsheet software or to import into another email service. You have now exported your Yahoo Mail email addresses into a CSV file that you can reuse anywhere. If this helped you grab your Yahoo contacts, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick walkthroughs like this.